Hello guys, today I will derive the formula sum of nth term of an arithmetic progression. Let us discuss how it will be derived. First we take the sum of all the nth term of an AP in journal form. What is the journal form like that? We can write the sum of nth term Sn. The first term is your A, second term is your A plus B, third term is your A plus 2B plus dot 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 plus, you can write here A plus n minus 2B plus A plus n minus 1b. This is first, second, third, just before last and the last term. We can represent this sum of all term by Sn. Now I am going to write it in reverse order. That means the first term becomes A plus n minus 1d, and from the last A plus n minus 2d plus dot 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 plus A plus b plus A. This we write all these in reverse order. Now we add these two terms, Sn plus Sn, it will become 2Sn, and we add these two terms, A plus A, 2A, and the rest is as it is, n minus 1b. Let us take what is the sum of both these terms. The first term is your A plus B, second is your A plus, we open this bracket, n to n, nd minus 2d, subtract this will be 2a, this d is subtracted, nd minus d, or you can take 2a plus n minus 1b. Again from the second term, from both equations you will get 2a plus n minus 1b. Let us see, and the same result you will get here because these two terms are alike. Again you will get same result, 2a plus n minus 1b, and from the last again 2a plus n minus 1d. How many times these terms repeated? This is 1, 2, how many times? This is the nth times. N times, or you can say that n times. So the result will become 2Sn, that means n times of this term, 2a plus n minus 1d. Now finding the formula Sn, n upon 2, that means 2a plus n minus 1d. Hence this formula is derived like this. Now we represent this formula in other form also, or you can write it n upon 2, this is a plus n minus 1d, and this is the nth term, n upon 2, that means a plus nth term, or nth term you can write, nth term means nothing but the last term of the AP, where an is nothing but the last term. So we can rewrite this formula in this form also. You will use this formula for some question in your test. Now let us take one question depending on the sum of nth term of an AP, and this question belongs to NCERT book 5.4 exercise 5.4 question number 4. According to this question, I am going here to write here this question. The houses of a row are numbered houses of a row are numbered consecutively from 1 to 49, so that there is a value of x such that the sum of the number of the houses preceding the house number x is equal to the sum of the numbers of the houses following it. Find the value of x. This is one good question from your NCERT book. Let us understand the situation of this question. Question says that there are some houses in a row and numbered like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, x minus 1, x and 49. Go through the statement so that there is a value of x such that the sum of the number of the house preceding the house x. That means question's statement says that this number is the sum of preceding house. That means we find the sum of this house number s x minus 1. And let us see, the question says that is equal to the sum, that means this sum is equal to the sum of the houses following it. That means the house is following it. This house is followed by these numbers of house. That means the sum of these equal to sum of these. And sum of these is how much? This S49 minus, and we subtract this sum, we will get the sum of these house, that means Sx. Now we solve this equation particularly for this question. Now what will be the A? In this question A is your 1, and what will be the D? D is your 2 minus 1, that means 1. Both the value of A and D in this question is 1. Now we simplify this equation to get the value of x. We write this using this formula, replacing n by s minus 1. So you can write here x minus 1 upon 2 multiply 2a plus x minus 1 minus 1 d is equal to 49 upon 2 2a plus 49 minus 1 d and plus minus x upon 2 2a plus x minus 1 d. Taking value of a is 1 and d is 1, we rewrite this equation x minus 1 upon 2. This will become 2 plus x minus 2 equal to 49 upon 2. This 2, 48, 2 plus 48 minus x upon 2, 2 plus x minus 1. Substituting the value of a and d. Now here you will come to cancel out. This means x minus 1 upon 2. And from this there are 49 into 50 upon 2. From there minus x upon 2. This is my x minus plus 1. Is that correct? Now bring this term to this side and we simplify this. x minus 1 upon 2 plus x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 49 into 25. Simplifying this equation, LCM with x square minus x plus x square plus x upon 2 is equal to 49 plus 25. Or you can say that 2x square upon 2 is equal to 49 into 25, or x square is equal to 49 into 25, or x is equal to square root 49 into 25, that means 7 into 5 is equal to 35. Therefore, house number is 35. That's all for this question. Thank you.